Hey there, this is Mel, and this is my 2023 Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. I've never done the Lucky Bag before. We've got it right here, and let's just dive right into it. Of course, when you get the text that your bag has arrived, you just drop everything and you get your Lucky Bag, obviously. So we have the Lucky Bag 2023. If you don't know what these are, you can look it up. I think content creators have stated what it is forever, but a lot of sites from all over the world. It's really pretty paper. I will use this for many other things, I am sure. So I'm just going to pull the entire piece out. That's gorgeous paper. I can't wait to wrap some gifts in it. And now let's get into it. So I'm trying out. So this is the actual Lucky Bag. And we have, this is very promising. So for me, makeup brushes are always a hope. I really, that bag is so pretty. And it's in a little travel pouch. Let me just try to open this more in front of you. Oh, look at that. And it opens and stands. This is a makeup brush travel pouch. Very nice. I have a makeup brush travel pouch already, but I think this is great. It's compact. I will use that. All right, next item. Let's just grab this because we can all see it. Oh my gosh, this is great. This is the Invisible Defense Universal Protecting Spray from Orbe. This has actually been on my wish list since Beautylish sent me a sample a few years ago. I'm really excited about this product. That is so nice. Thank you so much, Beautylish. Feels very lucky to me. I'm gonna reach in again. Oh, a Viseart quad. Unfortunately, yeah, I have this. This is the original Petit Four in Lila's, and I actually own this and love this. Isn't that beautiful? So because I already have it, I'm going to just save this and give it as a gift. I have so many friends who would absolutely love it, but it's a great item in the Lucky Bag. No complaints. Pardon me. All right. Okay. Interesting. The Easy Eye palette from Charlotte Tilbury. I actually don't have any of the smaller Easy Eye palettes. My large one is on my declutter. And so then this would be basically the same thing, but in a smaller version. It's nice. It's not exciting. I might be the only person in the world, but I'm not very excited about Charlotte Tilbury generally, but it is beautiful. Okay, good things come wrapped in twine. So I'm going to slide the twine off. And just try to open this in front of you. That would just be more fun for everybody. Oh, we have a brush set. I mean, which I think if you've opened these, you probably recognize already. Oh, these are so beautiful. These are the unit brushes. I've been very curious about these. This is an orange set. I'm a little bit disappointed. I was really hoping for Sonia G, and these are just from Unit. However, my best friend, this is her favorite color, and so I'm actually just gonna save these and send these to her for her birthday probably. Okay, now we have a Mob Beauty lipstick. I have not tried Mob Beauty. Oh, it's a lipstick refill. That's really fun. I love a lipstick refill. And this is an awesome shade for me. Okay, so let's roll that up. Oh, that's really pretty. So this reminds me of Queen from Bare Minerals. which I've had for forever and is on my items to pan this year. So it's nice that I'll have a new one in this beloved color, really great color. Happy with that. Next we have, okay, of course, Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. Okay, this is another one that I have on my list, not necessarily this one, but I actually have this oil and it's almost gone, so I was wanting another face oil. Perfectly happy to get this face oil. Okay, then this is from Mob Beauty, and this is the recyclable capsule. So just comes in like a cardboard tube thing, and then it's a recycled plastic capsule for the refill, which I set the refill right here. Yep, there we go. Just snaps right in, and then this goes, I'm sure this part goes on. There. Cute. Once you put all that together, it has a nice weight. It is kind of just that recycled plastic feeling component, which isn't bad. It's just one of those things. Okay. This is the Glam face palette. Interesting. I saw a lot of people were getting Natasha Denona, and this is something that I have not wanted. That highlighter looks so glittery to me. I'm torn between being excited because it's something I would never buy for myself, and vaguely annoyed because it's something I would never buy for myself. Oh, I don't know. I was really hoping to get an eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona, but that's okay. This is beautiful, and is another that I won't be keeping it. I don't like all-in-one face palettes, and so oh, I do like this though. This is the Holly Frog Tasha Moo Water Lily Milk Wash, and I have already used up one of these in the past, and I really like it. So $150 bag. Let's talk about what I got and whether or not it's worth it. So the Holly Frog is great, and I'll use it, and I will cut in with the value here. So that's good, I'll use it. The Orbe is incredible. I'm very happy to have this, and I will use it. The Mob Beauty, I mean, I need another lipstick like I need a hole in my head, but there's always a lip product in here, and if there was going to be a good one, this is a great one for me. It's a brand I haven't tried, it's a color I love, and it's a concept that I really dig, so I'm happy about the lipstick, and I will use it. Good Molecules, it's like it's my grocery list, so I'm happy with the Good Molecules. The Viseart and the Natasha Denona are both going to go to other people. Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, wow, the box is actually coming apart. The glue is breaking. I am just so torn. I need to compare this. Let me grab the original. Hang on. Okay, I don't know. It's so weird. I can't find it. Let's see here. I'm gonna open my drawer. Oh, here it is. Right in front of me. All right. So I'm gonna take this little one and I'm gonna put it next to the big one. And bring that in for you. So I have the original. This is the smaller one. The colors do look cooler, and that's been my complaint with the larger one, is that the colors are actually very warm, and I really don't love the pinks on the end. I don't want to swatch it when I'm unsure, but I'm going to consider it. I'm going to consider it. It's part of my set that I got, and it would be nice to keep one thing. So I would say that's kind of like a meh kind of an item. The makeup brush container, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed that I got a high-end makeup brush holder, but no nice makeup brushes. I mean, that's not true. It's not that, this is nice. This is one of those meh items. It's just that I need to decide if I'm gonna use the unit brushes or just give them to my friend. She would not care if I used them first. So they do feel really soft. I'm pretty sure the unit brushes are all synthetic. If these happened to be goat hair, then that would help, but these feel soft. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go look up the unit brushes, and then I will come right back. And I'm gonna go, actually, I'm just gonna close it here. So how do I feel about the Lucky Bag? I feel great about it. $150 was worth it for the fun, at a bare minimum. And then I think I can get my money's worth out of the items, even if it's just things like this that maybe end up getting gifted. You know, that saves me the cost of purchasing a gift later on. So, you know, that's not a bad option for me to get something that I would gift. And the same thing with this. So I actually have somebody in mind who I could easily gift those to. So I don't mind getting a gift. I don't mind getting things that I will use. The thing I'm most excited about is this Orbe spray. I'm so excited for this spray. Shake and mist onto damp hair prior to styling. And yeah, this is so good. And it's large. I've been looking at this for a long time. So yeah, this is what I'm the most excited about. Funny enough, I'm perfectly happy about the skincare. The Mob Beauty is like, yes, cool, great. Charlotte Tilbury, meh. Viseart is actually an awesome option for me. Wow, this is not even like rubbing off easily, which is great. Viseart would be amazing for me if I didn't already have this specific product. So if I didn't have this product, this would be incredible, but I do. So it's still, I don't count it against the bag. The Charlotte Tilbury, most people would have been very happy to get this. And then I think most people would have been happier to get this than I am. Other than I just am not an eye and cheek palette person. And the highlighter in it is glittery. Oh, it's like the thing I hate. I absolutely hate glittery highlight. But anyway, that's okay. I'm happy with this. Would I do it again? Yes, I would do the $150 again, because I think that these are really good items, generally speaking, even though I'm going to say I've seen this has basically been on clearance. These have basically been on clearance. This is their own brand. Value isn't going to be really high, but it is a great product, so it's okay. I don't mind that it's their brand. I'm trying to get it to... I'm sorry if the focus hasn't been good the entire time. I apologize if the focus hasn't been good the whole time, but this is actually wonderful. I do like it. And then, like I said, I really like the Holly Frog Milky Wash. So I'm not sad about that at all either. So it is great. It's a great bag. I will definitely get good use out of the items in it. I'm happy that I did it, and that's it for now. Have a great day.